Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking the MIUI version of your Xiaomi phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Finding your MIUI version is easy. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap About Phone. On the About page, scroll down and you'll see the MIUI version number. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.